Okay, so I'm going to be doing a reaction video to new SAD-ist video that premiered really recently, I guess. I think this is going to be cool. Oh, that's like the anvil with Technoblade. Oh, that was cool. Reflections. That was prison, or when Philza was I forget the word for it. I forget the word for it. House arrest, yeah. It's house arrest. He was under house arrest.
You're haunting me, just like a ghost.
Oh, this is
the
cool.
only thing that works in this world is that you treat others as they treat you. Those that have treated me with kindness, I will repay that kindness tenfold.
Oh, that's cool.
And those that treat me with injustice, that use me, that hunt me down, that hurt my friends, I shall repay that injustice 1,000 times over.
Holy crap! Holy crap.
Hey, big Q! Look what I found.
So the plan is simple. We find and we kill Technoblade.
There's no other way. I choose blood!
No! Oh no!
Holy crap!
Big Q! Stop! Stop!
You get away from that horse, Quackity!
Technoblade, drop everything, or I'm going to kill this horse right in front of you.
Holy crap. Holy crap, this is awesome.
Bill, what did they do to you?
Wow, this is awesome.
Technoblade has robbed our country of everything that made it special, of everything that defined what it was. Do it! Big Q, pull the lever! Pull the lever, Big Q!
Oh, that's awesome. Whoa. Whoa.
Did you really think, Quackity, that you could kill me that easily?
Oh, this is great.
You have done so much fucking damage to everything we've been building all a fucking long, Techno.
Oh, this is... Oh, holy crap. Holy crap. So yeah, this is when... Oh, that's awesome. Ah. Because Techno killed Quackity with the pickaxe. Oh, this is awesome. This is so cool.
I have a pickaxe, and I'll put it through your teeth.
Wait, hold on. Hold on. Settings. Playback speed. Hold on. Let me just see. I'm gonna go through this entire thing in like this and 0.25 speed. Or especially
there's
the
something
timings
that I
when you
haven't
get
shown
stuck by the
anyone,
end.
not even Philza. I have been working on just a little hobby, Tom. You see this wall? Welcome home, Theseus.
Holy crap! Holy crap! Oh!
Welcome home, Theseus.
Yeah, I couldn't get it. But yeah, okay, I'm gonna look at the beginning of this in, holy crap. Let me just... Oh, that's... Wait, what? What's this? Hold on, let me, I don't know if I saw that. I forget who that is. Oh, this is awesome. Oh, and I love the blurry, like the camera, the blur. And the glow. This is a work of art. This is awesome. And the reflections, like all of it. House Arrest Philza. I guess that's Philza. Oh, that's terrifying. Oh, that is completely terrifying. I love it. Whoa, that's cool. This entire thing is awesome. Let me just see if I can find that. What is that? Huh. This is awesome though. Yeah, hold on, let me see if I can find it. Okay, so this is what I want to see in slow motion, or with the frames. Oh yeah, so that's what that was Ghost Bear. Okay, that's cool. Whoa, so that is awesome. Oh, so it's like he was stuck in the. Ah, that's Oh, that's awesome. Oh, this entire thing is awesome. Oh, okay. Okay. And I do like the sound effects. I really like the sound effects.
Did you really think, Quackity, that you could kill me that easily?
I just want to see this again.
Fucking damage to everything we've been building all a fucking long techno.
I have a pickaxe, and I'll put it through your teeth. You see, there's something telling me that I haven't shown anyone, not even Philza. I have been working on just a little hobby, Tom. You see
That's
this wall?
awesome.
Welcome home, Theseus.
And I love the laugh at the end. Oh, this was awesome. Holy crap. And I can't wait for more. Ah, yeah. Well, I guess this is it. This was awesome. SAD-ist, good job. Or yeah, I think it's SAD-ist. Yeah, good. SAD-ist, good job. Goodbye. Subscribe. Yeah, subscribe to that SAD-ist. Goodbye. This was awesome.